And another thing I wanna mention is how to add objects into this scene. And this is quite simple. The first thing we'll need to do is we need to add them to the objects menu, which you can see on the right. And the way we do this is we'll click on add new object. We'll be taken to this menu, which contains game packs. And game packs are just basically packs that contain different parts of the game in them. It can be characters, platforms, backgrounds, different elements, maybe weapons, enemies, you name it. All of that is contained in most of these packs. And when we want to add something to the game, we just click on one of them. Right here, we'll click on the object. And we'll just click on this button. And then you'll see it in this menu. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to drag the character inside here. Whoop, there you go. One last thing we'll have a look at before we finish is behaviors. So in GDevelop, behaviors are something that will define how a character will behave in the game. So in this case, for example, I added a platform behavior to our main character, which had a behavior. Jump just basically lets you control the character. It can let you make it jump and make it run. Click here and apply. There you go. Simple as that. You can share your game by clicking on this button, clicking on this link, publish a game. This will generate a link that you can then share to your friends, family, whoever want to try the game. Thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you in the next one.